Hello guys, today we are going to learn about joins in pandas. Joining and merging is an important concept in the field of data analysis because it lets us combine our data sets or data frames that were present separately initially, and then on the combined data we can perform our analysis which can help us to derive more insights from the data. There are four kinds of joins: inner, left, right and outer. We are going to understand them using an example. So I have already defined two data frames here. One is customers and other is the order. The customer data consists of information like customer ID, name and location, and I have defined it using a dictionary that I have then converted to a data frame using the pd.dataframe function from pandas. And here is how this data frame looks like. Then I have the order data frame, which has information like order ID, product ID and customer ID, where customer ID is the column that will link this data frame back to the customer ID in the customer data. So after defining the dictionary, I have converted it to a data frame using the pd.dataframe function from pandas. Our next step is to join them using joins using the merge function from pandas. Joining in pandas is simple. We have to use the merge function from the pandas library. We have to determine the data frame on the left, which is going to the customers, the data frame on the right, which is the orders, and we have to determine the column on which we want to apply the join. So we will be applying the join on customer ID because it is common in both the data frames. And we can print this data frame to look at the results. And as you see here, so because we did not specify the kind of join, so by default it will consider an inner join. And inner join means it will include only the rows that are present in both the data frames. So as you see, there is a customer ID 1001 in in customers data frame, but it is not present in the orders. So we do not see anything related to 1001 in the our result. And all the other rows that are present, the information about 1002, 3 and 4, it has been presented in this with the corresponding information from both the data frames. Next kind of join that we can use is a left join. So what does a left join means? Left join means that everything will be included from the left data frame, and if the corresponding information is not provided in the right, it will be represented using NaN, and we can specify it using the how parameter, and we just need to specify that we want to use the left join. And on running this code, we'll see the results where uh, all the information from the left data frame is present. And as you see, there was no information for the customer ID 1001 in orders, and the information for it for the product ID and the order ID is shown as NaN. So and the rest of the information is merged from both the data frames. The third kind of join is the right join, and it is simple. Just change the left to right and run, and we will see the results. Everything from the data frame on the right will be included. We see that 1001 is present in customers, but it is not present in orders. So it will not be shown in our resultant data frame because we have applied the right join, and it will only include information from the right and the corresponding information from the left. And the last kind of join that we need to understand is the outer join. So outer join means everything from both the data frames will be included, even if it is present in one or not. And when we run the result, we will see that we will see all the information from both the data frames. And as 1001 for the customer ID 1001, the information was not available in data frame 2. It has been shown represented using NaN, and for all the other customer IDs 1002, 1003 and 1004, information is shown. That's it. You have understood how to use joins in pandas. We understood how to combine data sets and unlock valuable insights from the data. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more data relevant content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.